Our webinar, our in-house session. So, without wasting the time, I would like to call our ETC, Vesha Paran, and our honorable principal man to come over here and start our session. So, give a big hand of applause for our resource person, Dr. Kumari.
Thank you, Sri Ram sir. A very warm good morning to all of you, and I welcome you all in today's session, the first session. Before we start, we must remember our Almighty, because without His blessings, nothing is possible. So I just request you to stand at your place so that we will seek the blessing of the Almighty, and then after that we will start our today's session. O Lord God, dear Father, we thank you and praise you for the beautiful day, the beautiful morning. Today, we pray for ourselves. We are surrendering ourselves in your mighty feet and praying for, particularly we are praying for today's session, our resource persons, as well as all trainings who all are present over here. Give them blessings, touch their mind and heart, so that whatever is conveyed here, they must inculcate in their teachings. Amen. Please have a seat. Please. Teachers, before I start, I would like to arise few questions. Few questions related to the topic and apart from the topic. The very first question is, who are we? The first question is, who are we? Anybody? हम कौन हैं? In what capacity we are here? The same question a little bit elaborated it is. So who would like to answer? Please participate in it. We are learners. Very good, sir. We are learners. Why did you use the word learner?
Because I follow the guidelines of Dr. Gurudeva Vishwanath Tagore. He has said that a teacher is like a burning candle, and until unless that candle is not burning, teacher is not operating himself or herself. He cannot face the challenges and cannot do it. These are our duty.
Okay, as Mr. Vijay Victor sir has said that we are learners. It means we are teachers. Teachers are learners. Last time we had discussed already. So, particularly we are here to teach. Particularly we are here to, this is our work, this is our duty. For what we are assigned, we are involved with this noble profession, teaching. Now teaching means what? Anybody from this side? Yes, sir. Sanjay, sir, would you like to say anything? What is this teaching? Can you define?
Yeah. Teaching is a method to express our ideas and views.
That's great. Teaching is a way to express ourselves. Yes, sir, please.
And we are just medium in between books and students.
Books and students. Means we find some knowledge is there. We find some wisdom is there, and that we have to impart. We have to share with somebody. Means teaching is imparting our wisdom, our knowledge. Teaching is to impart or to share. Right? Means we are a medium to communicate something, to convey something. We have to convey a message. Whatever wisdom is there in our mind, that we have to convey to something, to somebody, or we have to inculcate in somebody. And this is what teaching is. It means communication skill that is going to shape you, that is going to mold you, that is going to transform you into a teacher. Your communication skill, if it is effective, that has great impact. That has great impact on your students. And only then you will be capable to fulfill your duty as a teacher. That's why the communication skill, the skill that you are having, that must be very, very effective. Whatever we are conveying doesn't matter. Whatever we are conveying doesn't matter. we don't have that effective way. If the the receiver is unable to understand the thing, it means the purpose is not fulfilled. Purpose of communication is not fulfilled. Then there is no use of being a teacher. Now the thing is, just we will go to the content first of all. The first one is meaning of communication. What makes a good communicator? Then process communication. Of course, we will have some fun games here. Or did we learn effective presentation skill and communication by a teacher? This is our first and most important duty to communicate, because here we are here to communicate, we are here to impart. Now come to the next point. The first and most important thing is, what is the word communication? What do you mean by it? Communication is derived from a Latin word. It means communicate, it means to share. Already we have discussed that we are here to share something. Even our training, our workshops, these all things are going on. This is just by sharing. We are teachers. It means we are sharing something, we are understanding something, we are making others to understand, and then after that, we are learning also, and the person, the receiver is there, he is also learning. This must be in effective way. Just one second. Now, what does communication mean? Communication is a dynamic process. Through this process, we convey a thought or feeling to someone else. How it is received depends on a set of events. How you see, what you see plays an important role in communication. Here, one point is there. Just go back. Set of events. While communicating inside of the class, doesn't matter in which class you are teaching, doesn't matter with whom you are communicating, until or unless you are knowing about your audience and you are creating the event. Without creating the event, without setting the events, without making a presentation, it is not possible to communicate. It's not possible to convey. Just suppose that you are teaching to standard 6 students, just suppose you are a subject teacher, English subject teacher, right? And you have to teach noun. You have to teach Sangya. Sangya kya hai? So here, I was discussing about how to teach Sangya in class 6 or 7. Just suppose the class in which you are going, knowing nothing about Sangya, and you have to start from the beginning. What will you do? Any teacher after yes, ma'am, you?
बच्चे से सबसे पहले हम बोलेंगे कि बेटा तुम किसी भी पशु का पक्षी का नाम बताओ। बच्चा पशु पक्षी का नाम बताएगा, फिर उससे बोलेंगे बेटा पहाड़ का नाम, कोई पर्वत का नाम बताओ, वो नाम बताएगा। उसके बाद किसी व्यक्ति का नाम बताओ, वो नाम बताएगा, जैसे महात्मा गांधी, इंदिरा गांधी, ऐसे करके वो कुछ बोलेगा। उसके बाद उसको जोड़ते हुए हम लोग बोलेंगे कि किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु व स्थान के नाम का बोध कराने वाले शब्द को संज्ञा कहते हैं।
Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Now ma'am is telling that this since she will be created, she will going to create, like she will give few students. It's not already it's not organized. When she enters, okay, students, as you are studying in standard 6, you just start answering me by arising questions. Simple questions are there. Like, अच्छा बेटा कुछ पशु के नाम बता दो. Yes, you. Maybe some students will start making fun. कोई उठ के हो सकता है कहे हाथी, कोई घोड़ा भी कहेगा, कोई गधे का भी नाम लेगा, just for making fun, right? But when you relate everything, when he goes home, at that moment, that thing will be there in his mind कि मैंने क्लास को स्टार्ट करने के लिए गधे का नाम लिया था, लेकिन मिस ने कहा गधा का नाम भी संज्ञा ही होता है. So उस आपदा में से अवसर को ढूंढना है. Because we have to face challenges, how we are presenting the things, how we are keeping the things in front of the student, that is having great impact. How we are hearing exactly what we are saying inside of the class. Teachers, you have to keep it in your they are just having that emotional touch with you. Just suppose you ask somebody, some student, just make a sentence with this. This is a doll, right? You taught a child, this is a doll, right? The child understood that with this, he or she has to make one sentence, this is a doll. Doesn't matter how much the mother and father are learned and scholar, again and again they are telling, this is a bench, this is a box. No, the child is, no, my teacher has told that this is a doll. यही सही आंसर होगा, मेरी मिस ने बताया है स्टैंडर्ड वन में. बच्चा आपको सही समझता है. So this thing should be there in your mind that how you are behaving, how you are creating the environment inside of the class, having a great impact. And these all things are coming in that category only, that is communication skill. So you have to create that environment. What makes a good communicator? The first and most important thing is an active listener. What is happening? Sometimes we think that we are experienced. Sometimes we think that, oh, we are degree holders. And what I have to do? I have to go and teach only the students, the senior students who are doing nothing. So why to listen to them? Why to listen to others? Why to listen my subordinates? These things are there in our mind, even in my mind also, and in yours mind also, everybody's mind. But as Sir has told just now, and we all are knowing that we all are learners, it means we can learn from anyone. We can learn how to smile after seeing the innocent face of the child of tender age. एक छोटे से बच्चे का चेहरा देखकर हम उसको स्माइल आती है ना, उससे स्माइल करना सीख सकते हैं, उससे अपने दिन को बना सकते हैं. So it means you have to be active listener when you enter in the class, teachers. When you enter at that moment, you find that your students are there, you ask questions and you are getting answers also, especially the same set of students are there and they are giving you answers. The same set of the students are there every day. Only 5, 10, 20, 12 students are there in your class who are very much active. What about backbenchers? What about the student who is sitting in the last row? Teachers, our purpose is not to teach the class only. We have to reach to the slowest learner of the class. This is our purpose. We have to reach to the last child of the class. Just suppose you are having 40 students, only 10 students are there who understands the thing that you are teaching inside of the class. What about remaining 30? Then 20 students are there, they will understand 70%, 60%. What about 10%? 5 students will be there, out of that 10 they will understand 40%. What about the remaining 5 students who understood nothing because they were not listening? आपको नहीं सुन रहे थे, आपको ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे. आपको ध्यान क्यों नहीं दे रहे थे? Because they didn't find interesting. They didn't find the material that you were providing them interesting. Or probably some other reasons are there. They didn't do homework. They are not participating in the activity. In all classrooms, such students are there. So you go there, you find out the child. This is our responsibility to reach there, and this is our responsibility to inculcate in them. Because we are here not just to teach, we are here to shape the nation. We are called nation builders. So we have to shape a generation that will shape the world, that will shape the country. So everything is there in our hand only. This is our progress report. आप उसके पास जाइए, उससे पता तो कीजिए उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Why the child is not feeling comfortable in your class? What is happening? We enter, hey you idiot, you are disturbing the class, get out of my class. Now I am comfortable to teach. गए 5 बच्चों को क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया, उनको दे दिया ये punishment. The punishment is given, they didn't do their work, they will go out. But We have to keep it in our mind in spite of giving punishment again and again for 10, 15, 20 days, 1 month, more than 1 month, 6 months, even the child is not changing himself or herself. Is it working? Your punishment is working? Not at all. आपका punishment तो work ही नहीं कर रहा है. आप रोज क्लास में एंटर कर दिया, अपने बच्चे को निकाल दिया, अपने क्लास को पढ़ा दिया, आप चले गए. Is it your duty? I've already told we are here to now. We are mountains. We are learners. We are mountains. We are giving shape. We are shaping those who have to shape the nation. हम उन लोगों को शेप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उन लोगों को माउंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो हमारे देश को बनाने वाले हैं. So this big responsibility of you listen to them carefully. And the pandemic has already shown us, the pandemic has already taught us कि आप तो किसी से भी सीख सकते हैं. Your children, they are what's called बहुत ज़्यादा जो टेक्निकल स्टडीज जो होती है बहुत नहीं है. हमारे बच्चे हमसे ज़्यादा भी learning from them. You listen to them. You must listen to your colleagues. You must listen to your subordinates. You must listen to your boss, your parents, your children. Parents पढ़े लिखे नहीं है लेकिन बहुत सारी चीजें बता देते हैं जो हम नहीं जानते हैं. So we have to listen carefully. If you are listening, it means you are understanding the things, and probably the best listener is the best teacher, the best communicator, because you will understand at that moment exactly what with the child need. बच्चा क्या चाहता था, क्या उसने चाहा, आप जान पाएंगे, उसी समस्या को सुनेंगे तब तो समाधान करेंगे. Effective presenter. I have already told as ma'am has been telling all, you are having your own innovative ideas. That chalk and discuss so many times we have discussed these things. The previous days, gone are the days when teachers use their chalk, duster and all such things. And just running from this to that, the first chapter to the last chapter, and we are feeling that we have fulfilled our duty. Just leave it. We have to be the organizer. We have to be the presenter. We have to represent ourselves because you are the fact here. That thing must be there in your mind while you are entering the class. A quick thinker, decision maker. You have to be a decision maker at that moment, because when you enter in the class, you are not knowing what sort of students you are going to face today. They are changing every day. They are ultra modern students. They are well versed. They are well furnished. Because everything, whatever you are teaching, everything is there available on different sites. So कैसे बच्चों से हमको डील करना है, you are not knowing. So that quality must be developed. Anytime they will arise any sort of question, and you are the teacher, you are the role model, you are the master of the classroom or the hero of the classroom, whatever it is, or the leader of the classroom, you have to be like that. So that capacity should be developed. Will be negotiated. What do you mean by the word negotiation? Anybody who can make me clear negotiation क्या होता है? कोई बताएंगे? Negotiation.
कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं तो उनकी बातों को सुनकर उनसे हाँ करना, yes you are right, and कुछ ऐड करना.
That is negotiation. Anything?
The sharing of feelings.
Sharing of feelings. Okay. Any example? Negotiation का बहुत सस्ती अपनी भाषा में बताए कुछ. Anybody? अभय सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Just suppose
Suppose students has come with a different idea.
okay.
And I myself as a role of teacher I am explaining something. So we have to come in a common platform such so that the student's idea and my guideline will come, and we both will be. I have to push them with his or her idea, and the environment of home class will be in such a way that yes, we are going in a right direction.
Yes, of course. When the child will feel encouraged that I am welcomed by my teacher. My teacher had welcomed my idea. So when you are encouraging 2, 4, 5 children, and then his classmates or the classmates start clapping for the child, and next day some more ideas, some new ideas will come. I have already told that when you enter in the class, you find lots of deviations are there. अब उस situation से आपको negotiation करके कैसे निकलना है? You had gone to purchase some vegetables. भिंडी 50 रुपीस का है, 50 रुपीस केजी है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा है, छावनी में तो 45 में मिल रहा था, वो कहता नहीं 50 से कम नहीं करेंगे, तो अरे नहीं 46 कर दो, वो कहता 49 से कम नहीं करेंगे, लास्ट में आप 48 रुपीस 50 पैसे पे आ जाते हैं, दैट इज नेगोशिएशन। वही नेगोशिएशन आपको करना है। एनी हाउ यू हैव टू परचेज दैट भिंडी, लेडी फिंगर, आपको वो लेडीज फिंगर तो परचेज करना ही है 48 रुपीस में, या 50 उसका नहीं रहा, 46 आपका नहीं रहा, तो एनी हाउ यू हैव टू inculcate the things that are there in your mind, anyhow you have to impart the things that are there with you, the knowledge, the wisdom that you are having, जब तक आप उसको impart कर रहे हैं, it means it must be done in effective way, you have to be a negotiator, a win-win negotiator, it means चीट भी मेरी होनी चाहिए, पढ़ भी बच्चा पढ़ लिया, मेरा बेस्ट भी हो गया, और मैंने 100% दे दिया, वो मेरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड हो गया। Yes. Now you see process of communication is here, source, encoding, channel, decoding and receiver, after that you are getting feedback. We will discuss one by one. Yes, please go on. Why to communicate? What to communicate? Usefulness of communication and accuracy of information to be communicated. So, first when you enter in the class, you have to make that environment that the students must know that my teacher, my this or that teacher, when he is communicating something, it means he is communicating something very important. That thing should be there in the mind of the child. Otherwise, he will not pay attention. He will never pay attention in your class जब तक उसे पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि ये जो संस्कृत पढ़ रहा है, हिंदी पढ़ रहा है, या मैथ्स का पर्टिकुलर एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्री पढ़ रहा है, इसका मेरे लाइफ में यूज क्या होने वाला है, इसका रिजल्ट क्या होने वाला है। So why are you communicating the thing? Again, you have to utilize your innovative mind, your innovative ideas. Only then you will make the child aware that why are you communicating, why are you teaching this topic. You have to arise their interest. उनके interest को जगाना है. You have to, you are just working, you have to work like a catalyst. Anybody who can define the catalyst apart from Vijay sir? Science teachers तो मेरे बहुत सारे हैं. Yes sir. What is this catalyst?
Increases the rate of
Reaction. Without involving.
Not without involving.
Without involving. That is, मैंने यहाँ पे कहा कि catalyst बनना, involve भी अपने आप को नहीं कर रहे. My language teachers will understand more. Group discussion करा दीजिए. Topic दे दिया, group discussion करा दीजिए. Just divide them in groups. They will learn. They will understand. Every time reading in front of them, conveying and telling blah 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 will not work. Sometimes you make the things interesting, and they will really feel enthusiastic. They will cooperate you. We have the grievances. बच्चे ध्यान नहीं देते. आज के बच्चे studious नहीं हैं. आज के बच्चे they are not paying attention and they are not obedient. No, not at all. We have to deal with them as we are dealing with our own children. जिससे अपने बच्चों के साथ डील करते हैं, आप कीजिए. That parental care will be there, and you will get the same love and affection from your students also. It will work. No doubt it will take time. Certainly it will work. Next, accuracy of information. You must be confident. What are you having? What are you going to impart? That is very, very important. Accuracy must be there. The information, the knowledge that you are gathering. I have already told lots of things are there in social networking sites, and things are here and there that is scattered. You have to collect. You have to gather. I have already told that we should not be looking in our mind that oh, I am a degree holder, I have much experience, 20, 25 years, 30 years I have taught. मुझे क्या जरूरत है तैयार होकर क्लास में जाने के लिए? Every day you must get ready for your class. Every day you just turn the pages, you search on channels, you search on your mobile phone, you will get information, new information related to it. Because शिक्षा का कहीं अंत नहीं है. That's why teachers are called learners, communicators. Also, example, cultural issues, mystic assumptions, and missing information. So the last one is very important: knowing your audience. Knowing your audience. You are the degree holder. You are teaching in standard 12 or 10. Just take one example by this you will understand. And when you reach to your school, your principal has just instructed that today the teacher who is teaching in a standard, nobody is free. Who is taking writing class? Writing class with Miss Karati, she is not going to turn up today. Said, you are free in this period, please go. And just ask them to write something. Now they are having copies already. Writing copy होती है, जिसमें sentences में लिखे हैं. You have to encourage only. You have to do one work that your teacher who is teaching in 12th standard English, the teacher who is teaching in 12th standard maths, उसको जाना है standard 2 में और जाकर एक जो कॉपी है राइटिंग की, उसमें बच्चे की राइटिंग कॉपी में ऑलरेडी इट्स रिटन ये सेंटेंस है. आपको बस जाके सभी से कहना है कि पेज नंबर 35 पे ये सेंटेंस है. यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग. राइटिंग क्लास आपको 40 मिनट्स का लेना है. नाउ यू रीच इन द क्लास, यू शो दैट वन सेंटेंस वाज देयर. हमें अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन भली भांति करना चाहिए. ओनली दिस सेंटेंस वाज देयर. Oh, this is a silly thing. Okay, I will write on the board. As a teacher, you had gone, you had written on the board and asked the students, just open page number 35. Children, please sit down. बच्चे बैठ गए, 35 पेज नंबर भी खोल लिया और they started writing. You felt happy because the students are feeling afraid of you also because you are teaching in 12th standard. You have never gone to the class. आपने बोर्ड पे लिख दिया कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन भली भांति करना चाहिए. बच्चे ने भी लिख दिया कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन टेंस लिख लिया कॉपी में. आपने क्लास में बैठ के करेक्शन भी कर दिया, बोर्ड पे दे दिया. किसी की राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी थी. Did they understand the word कर्तव्य? Did they understand the word nirvahan? Did they understand the word bhali bhati? Then what is the use of that word? The word is given for the sense. It's making no sense, but the child is understanding nothing. Just writing and he didn't understand anything. You know your audience, the standard 12, standard 2 child is not understanding you. The child is not understanding the word kartavya. First, let them know by example. And then ask them to write. They will feel enthusiastic. They will be the happiest whenever you are entering in the class. Or when you are not going at that moment, they are coming and greeting you. Because आपने कुछ अच्छा सिखाया है. They will convey the same to their parents. And at that moment, the purpose of the teacher, the purpose of communication is completely fulfilled. उस समय आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो फुलफिल्ड होता है, उसका पर्पस फुलफिल्ड होता है. तो दैट इज हैविंग इम्पैक्ट, ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट, द वे यू आर बिहेविंग, द वे यू आर टेलिंग योर थिंग्स, कन्वेइंग योर थिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. सर प्लीज गो बैक, वन मोर पॉइंट इज lagging behind. Ability to convey the information. You have to know your strength. You have to know your weak point, your weakness. Where are you lagging behind? आपको पता है कि आपकी कहाँ आप में कमी है. Everybody is knowing about himself or herself. So you have to improve yourself. You have to improve. आपको वहाँ पे उस एरिया में वर्क करना है. Just suppose that I am going to teach English in the class and I am a little bit lagging behind in writing section. मुझे लगता है कि अरे मैं लिटरेचर बड़ा अच्छा पढ़ा लेती हूँ, राइटिंग सेक्शन में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगती है. आई एम नोइंग हाउ टू राइट बट आई एम अनेबल टू कन्वे. मैं बहुत अच्छी टीचर हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा सब चीज़ जानती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे आता नहीं है कि लेटर राइटिंग बच्चे को सिखाना कैसे. थोड़ा सा वहाँ मैं हर साल जब भी पढ़ाने जाती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि मुझे तो आता ही नहीं है. उस समय व्हाट इज माई ड्यूटी? एवरी ईयर आई विल डू द सेम? नॉट एट ऑल. आई हैव टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू बी अ लर्नर. If I am becoming an information bearer, then first I have to know my capacity, that how many things I can get and how many things I can impart. Yes. Now decoding is there. Effective decoding. Listen actively. We have already discussed. Reading information clearly. we are teaching a particular chapter in literature, as I am a teacher of literature, that is my field only. But in other subjects also, modulation will be there. Modulation of the way you are conveying. आपकी जो आवाज़ है ना उसमें उतार चढ़ाव होना चाहिए. That is having great impact. एक कविता है सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान द्वारा रचित, झांसी की रानी पर लिखी गई. You reached in your class, चमक उठी सन 57 में, वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेलो बुंदेलो और बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. The whole class will feel sleepy. Now you start ना, चमक उठी सन 57 में, वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले और बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. That energy will come in your student. They will start taking interest. You ask them to repeat the same again and again with same energy. Modulation will be there. उस आवाज में वो प्रेरणा लाइए, उस आवाज में वो उतार चढ़ाव लाइए, उस भावना को डालने की. That is the first point that you can do. When you enter, आप जब बात करते हैं, reading the information is not only about reading, behaving carefully also. After seeing your face expression, the child will understand उसको कैसा महसूस हुआ. So that thing we will discuss later on. So that thing should be there. Avoid confusion. Before entering in the class, you just arise questions by yourself, to yourself, related to the topic that is about to debate. So that no confusion will be lagging behind. Just ask yourself about the topic. Like a student, कि अरे ये बच्चा तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है, this thing that thing should be there. ऐसे हो सकता है कि ये क्वेश्चन इस तरह से arise हो. बच्चे की तरह बन के सोच के जाना है. So that whenever they are arising the question, you will be there to answer. You will be there to make the things clear. There will be no place for any confusion. And you arise question by teaching. You are the master of the class. Doesn't matter all the time you are speaking, all the time you are conveying only. You are going, you are writing on the board and just your lecture is going on. Not at all. You arise questions. You ask them to participate. They will feel happy. They will feel special. Otherwise, ignorance is there. You are completing syllabus only. You are running with the curriculum only. It means their involvement is must. That will give 100% result. Otherwise, you as a teacher you are good, as a degree holder you are good, as a experience holder you are good. But if the thing is not going, if the thing is not completely imparted to your student, then there is no use of that degree, there is no use of that experience, there is no use of your growing age. So that thing must be there, and again I am telling we can learn from our subordinate also. Please. The influence for receiver. Now receiver, your students. The prior knowledge can influence the receiver's understanding of the message. You entered in a class and the topic that you have chosen, a single chapter is divided into different topics. And one topic is connected to the next one. It's linked with another one. Prior knowledge should be given. Again, it will take 5-10 minutes, only 5 minutes at least. You do revision. You arise questions, first questions, and you involve all students because I have already told, and we are knowing as a teacher, we are knowing that we have to read to the child who is sitting at the back, who is the slowest learner, who is unable to understand your thing. हमें 50-40 बच्चों में 5 बच्चों के लिए स्पेशली काम करना है या 10 बच्चों के लिए, बाकी तो they are understanding. आपने जो बताया 70% समझ गया, 20% रिविजन में भी समझ लेंगे. The remaining 10% they will do at the time of examination also. You have 10 students only, उनके लिए special treatment देना है. So prior knowledge should be given related to the topic. मैम ने कहा संज्ञा पढ़ाएंगे तो पहले उसको एनिमल्स के, लोगों के नाम, जगह के नाम, पर्वतों के नाम, नदियों के नाम बताएंगे, लास्ट में कहेंगे यही तो संज्ञा है. These things are already there in their mind. बच्चे तो इन चीजों को जानते थे. संज्ञा कहते हैं ये नहीं जानते थे. So your duty is to make them understand what is noun, but before that, the things that are there in their mind, that should be brought up. उसे बाहर निकालिए. That is our responsibility. Blockage in the receiver's mind, उस गांठ को खोलनी है. The thing is there, मुझे तो आता नहीं है, छोड़ो ना. A plus B whole square. You are taught probably प्राइमरी सेक्शन में पढ़ाते हैं आप लोग पढ़ाते हैं. सीनियर क्लासेस में there are students, they are not knowing. Even 10th standard students, they are not knowing this formula. What should be done? You start with it. It will take time, no doubt. Just rushing with the syllabus will not work. Because our duty to inculcate the things in proper way. We are getting irritated, it's natural. But the responsibility that we have taken, the profession with which we are involved, we have to do. There is no way to escape. हम भाग नहीं सकते. हमारा जो कर्तव्य है हमें करना है as a teacher. The surrounding disturbance. We all are facing the same. All the time we are facing. We all teachers are facing the disturbance that is created inside. But we reached. We started. We left. Why should I bother about the disturbance? Why should I bother about the outlaws? And if I am bothering, I will ask them to leave my class. I will teach my 10 students. Is it the way? I am responsible for the whole class. This is my responsibility to teach the whole class. Then why should I ask them to leave? I have to create the environment. Last time Rajesh sir was telling that when you enter, you find your students are disturbing the class. What should I do? I will not react. I will just enjoy some funny moment with them. 5 minutes, 10 minutes करिए. There is a barrier. There is a limitation that the dignity of the teacher must be maintained. But after that, you have to be serious. And by the expression of your face, the child must understand the teacher is in the mood of teaching now. I have to learn. I have to be in the proper way. मुझे अपने आप को उस तरह बैठना है, करना है. This thing should be there. Feedback. Verbal reaction, non-verbal reaction. And positive feedback, negative feedback. First I will come to that point. The second one, we have to get ready to accept both sort of feedbacks, positive or not negative. When you ask, your students are replying, yes ma'am, I understood, yes sir, I understood. But the child, जिनके पास पहुंचना, the child who is our target, सर समझ में नहीं आया. आपने A for apple पढ़ाया, A क्या है सर? What is this A? Now माथा पीट लिया कि ये क्या? ये तो एप्पल पढ़ा दिया, एप्पल की स्पेलिंग पढ़ा दी और ये बच्चा पूछ रहा है A क्या है सर? A कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? What should be done? हमें अपनी टीचिंग को उस लेवल तक ले जाना है so that the child will understand what is this A, and then after that he will understand A for apple. We have to create that environment. We have to use that innovative ideas. Here, verbal, non-verbal reaction. Verbal reaction, you are knowing, you are asking for feedback. Yes, ma'am, you understood. Yes, sir, आपने समझ लिया. हाँ, समझ लिया. Non-verbal expression by the face, the gesture, the posture of the child who is sitting in the class at the back with head down. Oh, let him be like that. Always he is doing the same. Always he is having headache. Whenever I am entering, I find him sitting. I discussed with my colleagues. My colleagues are telling the same. Oh, ma'am, all the time the child is sitting like that. So leave it now. Why? That is his non-verbal reaction. His non-verbal feedback to you. Sir, your class is not interesting. I am not taking interest. This is what the child is willing to say to you. But he is afraid. That's why he is not conveying. He is afraid of you. That's why he is not conveying. So how to give? You are 100%. So you have to accept that situation. Don't get irritated. Don't lose your temper. Sometimes it's happening. How much we are pampering our own children. They are having headache. You just reached home. You find your child is sleeping there, having nap. Why? It's 1 only, and it's time for lunch, and the child is sleeping. What is the reason? You are getting worried. अरे क्या हो गया? ठंड लग गई? क्या हो गया बेटा को? या आज स्कूल में डांट तो सुन के नहीं है, his mood is not good. We are getting afraid of our own children. The same is happening. Maybe something happened at home. Maybe something lagging behind from our side. Or maybe he is not feeling well. Lots of things are there. The child is not feeling comfortable in your class. What is the reason? So that feedback is there. Non-verbal feedback is there. Now your responsibility to recognize. Your responsibility to watch each and every child, and then your responsibility to bring the child out from that situation, because you are commanded that you keep in your mind. That is very much important. Please go. Communication medium, verbal, non-verbal, we have already discussed. Visual also. We are having a smart class, almost all schools, even government schools are also using. That we have to do. Some videos, why videos we can, especially primary students or up to standard 6 or 7, we are having value education classes. See teachers. As I have already told that we are here to shape the generation. It means we are not here to make engineer and doctors. We are here to make good human beings. We have to inculcate human values in them. How to do? By using that visual, by using the audios, they feel interested. They will enjoy your class. Sometimes when you are taking the students in a smart class, you have seen how much enthusiastic generally our sir is using. I really appreciate, and students are responding very well. Apart from like computer teachers. So that's the thing. Good. 7 C's. Here. Correctness, the information that you are having. The correct information should be imparted to your students from here to there. वो जो पुरानी परिपाटी I have experienced, that's why whatever written in the class, in the book, in the course, and whatever I studied in my school days, I will impart it. But correctness, exactness should be there. Clarity, that modulation, and you must be very, very clear in way of communication also. आप अपनी बातों को रखें. That must lead to the last bench, the back benches. Conciseness, in brief, you convey more. कम शब्दों में ही अधिक से अधिक चीजों को convey करना. That is very important on the topic impact on of communication skill. एक घंटे में ही बहुत सारी चीजों को बताना है. That is in brief. I have to convey more. तो वो होना चाहिए. कितने कम शब्दों में आप अपनी चीजों को कन्वे कर पाते हैं. That is very important, and that will develop you. That will bring a drastic transformation in you as a teacher. Completeness. You can't live in the middle. The complete information should be specific. Definite information should be conveyed to your students. Then consideration of the situation. Consideration of the situation. The fact that you are teaching, how did it reach, how the receiver has received, and what is the impact of it, what is the feedback of the child. Play a great role. आपको टीचर बनाने में इन चीजों का बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है. Concreteness is there. Concreteness is there. Specific and definite things in brief way. When you are conveying, they will understand it in a better way. By giving lots of examples, by just conveying, you just involve them. You involve them, the ideas will come from their side, and by the end of the class, you find that wow, the thing that I wanted to teach my child, they have already understood. And courtesy, the manner, the way you are behaving with your students all the time, and using the way you are behaving with your own children, that manner should be maintained inside the class also. अपने बच्चों के लिए आप कहते रहे इस स्कूल में बहुत गुस्सा किया टीचर ने, ऐसे मेरे बच्चे को बोलिए तो पढ़ोगे ही नहीं. What will happen with you? You are good for nothing. You learn the child psychology. आपके बच्चे को किसी ने कहा आपको तकलीफ हुई, the same is happening with the child and his parents. Why should I eat? These things are prohibited. But the courtesy, the manner should be maintained. like a mannered person, well-mannered person. Your behavior will speak from what background you are coming. आप किस तरह के परिवार से आते हैं? That is shown there. Come to the next point. So now 2 games are here. The conveying things. First of all, I would like to call 10 teachers. 4 lady teachers from this side and 6 gents teachers. Please come. Please participate. 6 gents teachers, 4 lady teachers and 5 lady teachers. आ जाइए. So from primary section also. It's a very interesting game for our listeners. Communicating, how to communicate, that the people will understand the facts.
एक और लेडीज टीचर आई है
Right? Just stand there like this. That's it. Go there. So that others will see you, sir. Just be there. Okay. I'm conveying you something you conveyed to me. आप ये रख लीजिए. मैंने क्या convey किया? Just she is conveying something. Convey to her. उनको बताइए आपने क्या सुना. Convey to you. हो गया. Let's see. Okay, sir, what did you know?
There are 6 apples in the garden.
There are 6 apples in the garden. You?
There are 6 apples.
Apples in the garden.
There are 6 apples in the garden.
Apples in the garden.
There are 6 apples.
6 apples. 6 apples. Okay, now to say yes. 6 apples. What is written? What did you convey?
I conveyed there are 6 apples, 6 apple trees in my sister-in-law's garden.
No, exactly what is written. There are 6 maple trees. There are 6 maple trees in my sister-in-law's garden. And see how the things are communicated, exactly what we are listening and how we are behaving with the situation, exactly what we are seeing is completely different. So वो communication मैम को पढ़ के भी सुना गया, इनको दिखा भी दिया. In spite of it, she had learned its M. She had learned A. Apple. Maple. Apple. I was pondering yesterday what should be written, and then after that the things are completely different that they are learning. So complete failure. When we are talking about the communication skill, we are failures. Yes, thank you. We will clap for our. Now the next game is coming. One more game. We will make it a bit interesting. Okay. One more game. 2 pairs from the ladies side. 3 pairs from gents side. 2 pairs. आ जाइए. लेडीज साइड में से एक पेयर आ जाइए प्लीज. कोई एक जन आ जाइए. आ जाइए. अच्छा आइए. हाँ, अपने अपने पेयर के साथ खड़े हो जाएं प्लीज. One more pair I need. I need one more pair. Manisha ma'am, you come. Renu miss. Renu ma'am and Manisha ma'am और सविता जी, please come. Please come. Right. Yeah, you take this one. Okay. Just don't convey to her. आप अलग रहे. Just go there, ma'am. You go there. You go there. Yeah, you are the leader of your group. Yes, ma'am. Or you give it to Rashmi ma'am or you just decide. Ma'am, okay? Sir, take this one. Anyone, don't show it. Your partner. Okay. Now the leaders will come forward. Leaders आगे आ जाएंगे. Leaders will come forward. Okay. और जो उनके साथ में उनके सर, please all of you please sit at your place. No need to discuss. Please. हाँ. Now the first pair. Who is the first pair? You are the first pair. Now she will convey something her partner will understand. Right? Ma'am, you stand here. Now you read the line. Just come here. You just be here. You convey to her by your expression. Okay, she will understand that exactly what did you say. No. Just yes, she is having 1 minute. Who will see the time? Anyone? Vishal sir? You just see the time. Vishal sir is here. Time 8 minutes. In English only? In English. Sir, you just see time. I love it. I love it. Yes, I love dancing. And she has conveyed and she knew I love dancing. Okay, class again. The next pair, you go and you sit there. Next pair, who is going to sit there? In English only.
मैंने देखा मोटा हाथी जा रहा था. कैसे जा रहा था? जा रहा था. Okay. What is there? I saw an elephant. Moving on the road. Okay, that's it. The next pair is coming. Probably they have conveyed. I don't know. They have conveyed already. I think so. It's already conveyed.
No, I don't.
Okay. But we will not get. Yes. My writing is not good. And then?
Write some practice paper at home. You not good. You have to improve your.
Yes, you have to improve your writing. Yes. But I So you see the time.
छाता लेके ओपन करके बैठना.
Time is over? Still there. Okay, please try. Time is over, sir. What is the sentence? Thank you all participants. You have done very well and we really enjoyed for 10 minutes at least. Okay, just a moment. Probably effective presentation. communication by teachers. How to do? It's very important. We'll come to the next point and there we will go. Yeah, high level of self-awareness to create good and long-lasting impression on others. Self-awareness is very important. Your strength, your stamina, your capacity, you have to recognize. You are knowing yourself better and how to improve, this is up to you only. That you have to know and you have to do. Nobody will help you. It is up to you to understand from by which means you will get the informations and how to improve yourself. From where you are getting influence, that is another thing. And we have to work on ourselves to leave the long-lasting impression. Long-lasting impression. One day, Kishore sir is absent. One day he was teaching in a standard 10 and I was on ground. I found he was teaching ionization energy. And I entered in the class. In my ISC, I had my teacher had taught. The definition was so good. I just remembered, and I just spit that the things out inside of the class. And sir was shocked. कि मैम आपको कैसे पता कि आपने सुना? मैंने कहा सुना नहीं, मुझे याद था जब मैंने 99 में मैंने ISC किया था, उस समय मैंने ये पढ़ा हुआ था. And that's why I remembered. That long-lasting impression, we had given example how to teach Sangya. The child has taken name of as, but he will understand for the whole life that I disturbed the class, but I learned what is this noun. Even the name of any animal is noun. So that long-lasting impression by even आपका कोई author बनाना है, that we have to do only. Understand how others perceive you, how others judge you, notice you. You are getting noticed. That thing should be there in your mind. When you are afraid of it, you will improve yourself. When you are afraid of being noticed, जैसे when we go to any party, just we are getting ready, we are well dressed, in well manner we are going there. We are having a smiling face, and when we enter, we just want to get focused by others. ये होता है especially we ladies. ये 4 साल पहले साड़ी पहनी थी तो अब अगली बार नहीं पहनेंगे. The same guests are coming there. They will recognize. Our gents teachers are facing problem purchasing for their wives, and lady teachers are still facing while going through their wardrobes. Why? We want to get focused. The same is here. You must be the center of attraction of your school when you are doing better. When you are working for your students, when you are having that communication skill, effective communication skill. Avoid being chameleon by changing with every personality you meet. गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना. I met a great personality today. I really got impressed by that person. Now from tomorrow onwards, I will start behaving like that. I got impressed. It means everybody is getting impressed by that personality. I must behave like that so that I will get praise from others. I will get appreciation from others. Is it work? Not at all. Everybody is having 3 faces. This is a harsh reality. The face that I am having in the school with you, that is different from what I am having at my home with my own family. And the third phase is there that only God is knowing exactly who am I. हमारे 3 phases हैं. एक तो आप स्कूल में शो करते हैं in general, एक आपकी फैमिली आपको अच्छे से समझती है, और तीसरा फेस इज देयर विद गॉड. ओनली गॉड इज नोइंग कि आप एग्जैक्टली हैं क्या. कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं दैट वी आर हाइडिंग फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली आल्सो. एम आई राइट? ये सच है ना? तो वी शुड नॉट लीव आवर ओन पर्सनालिटी. वी हैव टू डेवलप आवर पर्सनालिटी बिकॉज यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. आप अलग हैं दूसरों से, एंड यू हैव टू शो दैट यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स by your behavior. Make other comfortable by selecting appropriate behavior that suits your personality with while listening, while nodding head, that you are taking interest. When you are entering in the class, you have to put your smiling face there. Just leave it what happened at home. Just leave it what happened in your staff room. You leave the things that happened in office. When you enter, you must put a smile on your face. You must feel energetic. You must feel happy, you must feel confident, and that must be shown in your eyes. Your gleaming eyes will kindle the light of the students. आपकी shining eyes जो है, आपकी जो आंखें हैं जो हंस रही हैं, मुस्कुरा रही हैं, they are showing the way to your students. Your anger, your unhappiness, your sadness, you are plunged in sorrow and very in a very lean and thin medium. You are going the way you are going to your classroom. Nobody will be there to welcome you. Nobody will accept you. So you have to change your posture, your body language, your way of communication, your way of choosing words that are very important and having great impact on students. So my dear teachers, these are the things that should be properly inculcated while becoming a teacher, while developing yourself as a teacher. Last one. So we are about to end. I just want to convey you only one thing, that we are the flag bearers, we are the leader, we are the master, and as a whole, we are a learner. So learn, try to share in effective way so that the purpose of effective communication is given, the purpose of communication is fulfilled. And this is what we have to do. We are here to bear a responsibility. We all are responsible. We all are degree holders. We all are experienced. Only few things are lagging behind. And I thank you Almighty that for the first time I got a chance and I tried my best to do. And the best thing is that the opportunity was given by CBSE. Its only motto is there to uplift each and every teacher. That particular strength should be given, that energy should be given to them to uplift them so that they come without hesitation. Thank you. Have a nice day.